Want to stop using Siri on your iPhone, but not sure how to disable it? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off Siri on your iPhone. Now let's get started. To turn off Siri on iPhone, first open your Settings app. Scroll down and select Siri. Turn off the switch labeled Allow Siri When Locked. Then tap Talk to Siri. Select Off. Then turn off the switch labeled Press Side button for Siri. To confirm, tap Turn Off Siri at the bottom. That's all it takes to turn off Siri on your iPhone. If you'd like to make use of Siri without having to speak to it, you can use Type to Siri instead. Check out this tutorial to learn how to use this option. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.